Hello, this is Dave again with the bikeandbeerblog.com. BIKENBEER blog.com. So, I love to cycle, obviously, and I like riding throughout the entire year. One of the things, though, that I don't like is I do live in Minnesota and Wisconsin. It gets cold here, and my fingers and my toes get super cold. So these are my shoes, one set of shoes that I ride a lot in, and they're just not appropriate for cold weather or winter riding. So I decided to pick up a pair of 45Nrth boots, and they are right here. And I picked up the Wolvhammer version of the boots. This is actually the second set. I did purchase the first set as a 44. I normally wear a 42, and I thought, well, with wool socks and things, and I hadn't ever tried them on previously. So I have my size 43 Wolvhammer boots, and here they are. They do look just like a winter hiking boot or a winter boot, which love how they are made. They are water resistant. They feel really, really well manufactured. They do come with the BOA tightening system, which is guaranteed for life. I have not used the BOA tightening system, but my son has it on a bunch of his boots for snowboarding. So super easy to use. You just push it in, tighten it up. To loosen it, you just pull it out and pull forward. I did try these boots on with wool socks with liners on them. So basically the liners fairly thin, wool socks fairly thick. So, and they fit well. Then they're a little bit bigger than what I would normally buy. Like I said, I normally wear a 42, these are a 43. So far, when I've only worn them around the house, I haven't installed the cleats yet, but they've been very comfortable. So I am going to install the cleats. As you can see, they have a flat bottom. Cleats go here. So I'll take these off, both of them, and then we'll mount the cleats on them. All right, so let's remove the cleats from the bottom. There's a couple screws, take them out. Oh, not quite out yet. There we go. And you can see it's just got a standard cleat mount on the bottom. One of the things that 45Nrth did say is that with, I think it was 3 different pedal manufacturers, which I own one of them, Crank Brothers, you do need the shim. And in fact, they're pretty clear that if you don't use the shim, they're going to void your warranty. So I do have shims for my cleats, and what I'm going to do next is take the other piece of plastic off the bottom, and then get my cleats out and get them ready, and then I'll show you how to mount them. All right, so I got my cleats out and I mounted them on the bottom. Pretty straightforward. Again, the shim is there. Cleats mount fairly easily. Probably going to have to play around a little bit with the positioning on these once I start to ride. But the other thing about these boots and, you know, like these shoes is they're flat walkers, right? So you can walk on them if you have to get off your bike and walk for some reason. And we do have a fair amount of snow. We got about probably 10 or 11 inches of snow the other day. We're expecting some more this week. So walking your bike is one of those things you do in the winter up in the north. So pretty stoked to use these and give them a try. Hope my feet stay warm. Figured out my hands, got some good gloves for my hands, so that's not a problem. Now it's just my feet. So wool socks with a liner and the new 45Nrth boots that I got. I'm pretty stoked about that and excited to ride. I will be doing a video on my new Niner bike coming up. I got that bike about 3 weeks ago. It's a gravel bike that I'll be using for my upcoming trip across about half of the country. Hopefully next summer is the plan. So we'll be doing a video on that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog at bikeinbeerblog.com. That's an N in the middle of the word between bike and beer, blog.com. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. Talk to you soon.